And then there's a giant thing. One of them no bad. Like a fire pit. You know it. That different. When we talk up the place, we no spare man. But it's up, pussy, Terrell and Kman. Show one shot on our face like real. But we give the thing statement. Come now, do excited right now. I'm the fucking Kman. I'm the kid girl. Kman. You understand? Yeah. You just pull on my, let me play my song now, baby. Pull on now. Check out when they talk about the dark, like you want fuck man, like you know no common sense.
That is Plumpy Boss, and you hear how he was dissing Kman. So my thing is, if they're documenting Kman 6, that this is what the gang unit say now. If they're documenting Kman 6, they must be documenting Plumpy Boss. Now, me I talk about Plumpy Boss, but just have to be honest about certain things. So, let's go. Remember, the 6 now war with themselves, you know. So I want to know what is really going on. If they look into Kman 6IXX and the 6 gang, how come Plumpy Boss is still out on the street when he is one of the biggest instigator and he knows everything that's going on with Prezi? Him on Sunday and a lot more, man. So right now me gonna explore Plumpy Boss and the 7 gang, yo. Look at the picture. That's Plumpy Boss, Swanee. I think that one there Meds Boss in the back. And me see Kalanji in the one, yeah. But couple of them. But this was in 2019. And it's a Trini badness. Now all of them guys, yeah, within 4 years, you know, look at the difference. All of them used to be friends, and within 4 years, them implode. So the war, everybody know how the war start. Swanee and Prezi and Plumpy and Maids and all of them used to hang out. Swanee make up film little thing called Z-Tech and whatnot. There you have the West Bank, them dropping at the scene, and next thing you know, the war start. Rebel 6 dead. I mean, we can go on and on and on and on and on. But really and truly, me have to talk about the authorities them. And I am still trying to figure out one thing. My thing is, the 6 gang wasn't beefing by themselves. So if they arrest the 6, they must arrest the 7. And if they arrest Kman 6 and 6IXX, them have to arrest Plumpy Boss, Sunday, and Prezi. We hear all the stories about Trinidad Dudus, Prezi, Chemist. Them say him run the beat. We hear say him work with the police. We hear say him work with the politician them and all sort of stuff, which we know that's how most of the Caribbean work, you have politicians in bed with the gangster them. Same thing I want at Jamaica, St. Vincent, everywhere. But the difference is, it's a different time we live in. And you have people like myself and other people who is really being a watchdog over these issues, because we're really sick and tired of the killing, the all sort of barbaric act, and we need to put pressure on government and the gangsters them to make them try and slow down. We know we can't stop crime and we can't stop people, but at least bring it into the open and put it on the world stage. And that's the difference right now. With that said, Plumpy Boss never talk to you directly. Now, Plumpy Boss, say, you see what happened to the rest of artists them from both sides. Do you really think that at the rate that situation is, do you think that you're making the right decisions? Don't you think you should be more mature now and really take your career serious and break away from the 7 gang or break away from the violence? I know you have a young child, you understand? I know a lot of things about you, but I am not going to knock you. At the beginning, the only reason why I draw the comparison between Kman 6IXX in jail and you should have been in jail too, it's because you guys are actually beefing in the public atmosphere and everything is documented. Do you really think what is going on both sides with Prezi, Swanee, everybody, do you really think that's a good look? Do you really think this kind of stuff is not going to screw up your career, screw up your life, probably get murdered? Now, Kman is banned from Couple Islands, he's in jail. Do you really think you're going to get shows to go do in all these other islands? No. You understand? It is a X against all of y'all. So, you're a young man, you still have your life ahead of you. You can make the right decision. If Prezi respect you, he would say, alright, my lord, we still work together, but step away, we will do certain things different and change up what's going on. There is no way you cannot think about these things. If not, then you just sound like a clown. Because, listen, I listen to a lot of your war stories and stuff like that when you're on social media, and my youth, it sounds like you have no education, and I'm not knocking you. But what I'm saying is, clean up your folly grounds. You still have a chance. Okay, the police don't come for you, or whatever, but be on your P's and Q's. Start make some changes. You understand? start make some changes. I know when you sit back, you must want better for yourself and your family. So Plumpy Boss, you need to start thinking about these things, because you see what's going on. It's no longer a joke, it's no longer this and that. It's serious, and you have talent, use it, my youth. Alright, and that's what me have to say about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And there's more videos coming.